We are pleased to show you the 2020 Sierra 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter engine. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control electronic, power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, rear step bumper. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, leather trim seats, wireless charging station, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cargo area 115-volt power outlet, capless fuel filler system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.